Hello friends, today we are going to see how to download any paid app free. For that, I took 3D Parallax background as an example. When you are searched in this in Play Store, you will get the result as this. It rates almost 90 rupees. Now we are going to download this for free. For that I use AC Market app. This will not be available in the Play Store. I have provided a description link there you could download this app. First, with the help of search bar, search the app that you need. For me, 3D Parallax background. You will get only one result for that. In that, I will click that first. Then, click on the install button. The future of this app is that you can download any old version of that particular app. When you once click install, the app will automatically start to download. You can see that download when you have clicked in the download icon, which was top right corner. There are several menus saying downloading, downloaded, updates, and this will take a little time, so that I will skip this time. Whenever the download was completed, this window will open. When you click next, it will ask for install. After the installation, you could use and access the paid apps for free. Almost 90% of the apps of Google Play Store were available for free in this AC Market app. Once it was installed, click on open. That's it. You can access any app for free of cost. If you like this video, share to your friends.
Do you want to travel with us for many light years? Then subscribe now.